What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm so glad that you guys are back for another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a unboxing, I guess you would call it. These are new cash envelopes that I received in the mail. I participated in a challenge for one of the budget YouTubers that I am subscribed to, and I won that week's challenge. So she did send me some cash envelopes as my prize. So I have actually been waiting for these in the mail for what feels like a couple weeks now, maybe like 3 weeks. There was a little bit of an issue with shipping, but I finally received them in the mail and I am so excited. I was checking the mailbox every single day, you guys. And so I finally received them and I'm so excited for them. I actually already opened this and kind of peeked inside because I just couldn't wait. But I did want to do a video on this because I am going to be using these cash envelopes as well as making new sinking funds so I can utilize them. So these envelopes are from Lupita Aide and she has her own shop. So online she has two, her website and her Etsy shop, and she allowed me to choose the envelopes that I won. So I went with one of her flower themed envelopes and I absolutely love them, you guys. So I will go through with you and we will go over everything that I received in this package, as well as I will link some of her information down below because, like I said, she does have a website and a Etsy where she sells stickers for your planners, cash envelopes, budgeting sheets, and more. So this means so much to me, you guys, because I've been following Lupita's channel for a really long time now. She is the one who taught me so much about how to get out of debt and helped me start saving for my sinking funds and helped me understand what sinking funds were. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I kind of already peeked inside, but we're gonna go ahead and open it. All right, you guys, so that's all that's in here. So I'm gonna move this envelope to the side. And this is the package, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love everything about it. She's so good at packaging, you guys. Like, look at how beautiful this is. I love that she uses this paper and everything. So let's go ahead and open this. I don't want to rip the stickers, you guys. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and take everything out. I'm gonna move this one to the side. All right, and then here it is, you guys. She even sends labels for your cash envelopes if you choose to write your categories and stick them on your cash envelopes. Okay, I wanna show you guys the cash envelopes. Look, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? I picked these out because these were my favorite and I absolutely love them. So these were the ones that I went with. Like I said, they were like a flower type of theme, and I love that. So this is a pack of 5. So I just want to show you the envelopes, and she even sends the budget sheets with them. Okay, and this is what I wanted to go over with you guys. So her website, you guys, is Lupitasstickyshop.net, and her Etsy is Lupitasstickyshop. And she does have different products on her Etsy than she does on her website. So if you want to see all of her inventory, please check out both her Etsy and her website. And lastly, what I wanted to let you guys know is she was kind enough to provide a code for you guys to get a discount. And it is a 10% discount. So I will leave all this information in the description box below. The code is AMYL, AMYL, and it is for 10% off, like I said. So go over and support both of her channels, you guys. Her main budgeting channel is Lupita Aide, and her second channel where she does vlogging is Lupita's Life Journey. I love how true she is to her business and to her subscribers, so go over and support her, you guys. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started with working on these cash envelopes. So I wanted to show you guys that I do have right here written out this new sinking funds for my cash envelopes. So I chose to do dining out because I did not have a category for that, and I realized that that money is usually unbudgeted. So we're gonna do dining out, medical, electronics, lawn care, and emergency savings. Medical is for things like copay, anything medical that might pop up that we need to pay out of pocket for. Electronics, so if my phone breaks or my laptop breaks or anything and I need to update it, then I have money set aside for that. So if you've been watching me for a while, then you know that these are my cash envelopes. And I wanted to show you guys because I know that somebody might question that I do have a household envelope. So why am I doing a lawn care envelope? Why wouldn't I consider it part of the household envelope? And the reason why is because I have a little bit of land and I have a lot of trees. My front yard is really, really big, and there's typically a lot of landscaping to be done, tree trimming. We are constantly cutting our grass, and like I said, it's a lot of area that we have to cover. So just staying on top of it and doing that maintenance ourselves. So that is why I've decided to do a lawn care only envelope. And the last category is just emergency savings. All right, you guys, so that is the cash envelope categories. So I'm actually gonna save these and I'm not gonna use these for this one. Instead, I'm going to use a labeler. You guys, I have no idea how to work this thing. I kind of looked through it already and tried to change the settings, but this is not my labeler. This is Jay's labeler and he's not here to show me how to do it. So I'm gonna just wing it and try to print some labels. So I will be printing out, like I said, these categories. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we are going to put them on our cash envelopes. All right, you guys, so I just printed out my first one. Look how cute that this turned out. It is a computer with a little mouse attached to it, and it just says electronics on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of my categories. All right, you guys, and then that's it. I just finished doing all of this. So we could put that to the side and put that to the side. So here are my labels, you guys. They turned out pretty cute. The only one I couldn't really find one that I liked was for emergency fund, but that is okay because emergency fund can be used for virtually anything. So I'm okay with it not having any deco, but dining out turned out great. Lawn care, I did the sun and the flower, and then medical and electronics. I love the way that they look, and now I can go ahead and put them on my new cash envelopes. So I need to decide which one I want to use for what. So let's see. I'm definitely gonna do the flowers for lawn care. I will do these flowers for dining out, and then I will do green for medical. Emergency fund will be this plain one, and electronics will be the one with the polka dots. So that is how I'm gonna set them up. So let me go ahead and stick them on. All right, you guys, so there you have it. Look how good they turned out. I love, 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 love them. I'm glad I didn't put any deco on emergency fund because I think it just looks better without it. What do you guys think? They look so cute. So let's go ahead and put these in my binder for my cash envelopes. All right, you guys, so here is my cash envelopes. So I'm going to put these in the back I don't know if you've noticed, but this binder is actually not meant for cash envelopes, or at least not this size of cash envelopes. These are the A6 hole punch cash envelopes. And these are also A6. So this is for 6-ring binder, and I have a 3-ring, but that's all I have right now. So that's what I've been using. And I just wanted to compare so that you guys can see these are her envelopes, and the holes are exactly the same. So the way that I have these set up is actually, as you can see, staggered so that they can fit in here. But I do plan on getting a new binder soon. So hopefully I won't have to deal with this issue too much longer. So I think the order I want to do my cash envelopes is dining out, lawn care, electronics, medical, and then lastly emergency fund. So that's how I'm going to set them up. So I'm gonna have to stagger these two for now until I get the proper binder. And there you go, guys. Look at how nice. So I just want to show you how they hold money. So let's take out from here, and I'll go ahead and put it in here so that you guys can see. And look how nice that is. All right, and there you go, guys. Those are the envelopes. I am in love. I'm so happy I finally got them in the mail. And I'm so happy that now I can start saving for more sinking funds. So that will be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to check out Lupita's Sticky Shop. Check out both of her channels. Like I said, I will put all of the information in the description box below so that you guys can check it out, but I will mention it just one more time for you guys. Her budgeting channel is Lupita Aide. Her second channel is called Lupita's Life Journey. And lastly, her website is Lupitasstickyshop.net, and her Etsy is Lupitasstickyshop. So go ahead and subscribe to her channels, you guys. She has great content, and I really appreciate that she sent out these envelopes to me. And like I said, there will be the code AmyL in the description box for you guys to go to her website and get a 10% discount. The discount code AmyL is for her website and not her Etsy. So please make sure that if you are shopping, use the code AmyL on her website during checkout. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to stay tuned for my videos as well, which include cash envelope stuffings, our $300 12-week Christmas savings challenge, and other budgeting related videos on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching once again. Have a great day, guys. Bye.